Hi there! Check out these Indian shelf 3 pieces brown decorative wall hooks made from premium wood with a vintage brown finish. Each hook is handmade by skilled rural craftsmen in India, ensuring unique and durable quality. These animal-themed hooks feature cute panda designs perfect for kids' rooms, bathrooms, or entryways. They are rust-proof, waterproof, oil-proof, and built to last, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Each set includes 3 hooks with screws and anchors for easy installation on any wall. Sturdy enough to hang coats, towels, hats, keys, mugs, and more, these hooks provide both function and charm. Add a rustic, handmade touch to your home with these versatile and durable animal wall hooks. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.